Hi you guys, here's a quick review on this TY Beanie Buddy Mac the Cardinal plush from 2000. And this is, if you didn't know this, I'm gonna do the Beanie Baby pretty soon, but this is supposed to be Mac the Cardinal, but they changed it to the Cardinal bird because I think it's just, it was a person from the Cardinals that played baseball, I believe. So here's the tag. There's the back of the tag. Here's the tush tag. The back reads, Tie Ink Copyright 2000. PE pellets handmade in China. And this is pretty cool, you guys. There's the hair up there. Kinda cool looking. The eyes. The beak. Hey, look at that beak. Look at that beak. Look at that beak. And the little tail feather in the back. The wings. There he is in the front. That side. The back. And the other side. There he is in the bottom. There's the Cardinal. The feet are black. It's kind of cool. If you could see them. I know, the table's black, so yeah. And nice. And the whole body's red. And it's from 2000, and that's it. Alright guys, that's the quick review on this TY Beanie Buddy 2000 Mac the Cardinal plush toy bird. Yeah, we can stick with that. And that's it. Alright guys, bye.